Okay, so imagine that the Earth is a quarter,
Okay.
right? Imagine the head side of a quarter. Let me get it.
Mhm.
All right, I'm gonna use a nickel, but I'm gonna pretend it's a
All
quarter.
right, a
So,
coin.
a coin. The head side of a coin is the top of the Earth, right?
Yep.
Bottom half of the Earth, we don't know what that is. We've never explored that. We have no idea. Okay?
Mhm.
So it's daytime. The
Mhm.
sun is shining on the head side of the coin, aka the Earth. At nighttime, it spins just like your theory, where the Earth is round. It spins just like that, right?
Mhm.
So the bottom half of the coin is now being lit up by the sun.
No, no, no. What you're trying to say is you're flipping the coin.
No, it's
Yes.
like it. No, it rotates just like the Earth spins. It's on
No,
an
it's
axis.
not. It's not like if the Earth was flat, that would it just it wouldn't be spinning upright like that. It'd be laying flat on its side on the x-axis, not the y-axis.
Right, but the way that the gravity works, it's not like you're gonna like fucking fall over or something, depending on which way it's spinning. You know what I mean? Like that's like saying people in China aren't falling
Well, no,
down
it wouldn't.
because
It would never work because that's the whole point. The center, the gravity pulls you in. So that's why fucking Antarctica and the North Pole can both stand upright, even though they're opposite of each other.
well, actually, there's a thing called the ice wall with the flat Earth, where it's just a wall of ice around the outside of the Earth.
So you're telling me that there's just a
It
big
like
ass wall
it
of ice
like
in the
it
ocean.
like it no, it's Antarctica. It wraps
Antarctica
all the way around.
isn't just a big chunk of ice.
Well, no, I'm
Otherwise,
not saying
it
it's a
wouldn't be a
chunk of ice.
continent.
Let me
I mean,
find a
I'm all
flat Earth.
about 9/11 and shit, but this shit's retarded.
Here we go. Here we go. Here's a map. This is perfect. So if you check out this map, clearly see the ice wall.
The Flat Earth Society.
Dude, you're a society full of retards.
See how the outside is like that's like Antarctica.
And who made this? Because there's obviously an equation to this. Because I feel like that Antarctica does not have enough surface area to wrap around the Earth like that.
Well,
Around the perimeter.
when it's flat, it does.
I don't think so.
Antarctica is a lot bigger than you think.
I know that, but I still don't think that Antarctica has enough surface area to wrap around the Earth's perimeter.
I mean, it makes total sense.
No, it does not.
Wish I still went to earth science. I would
Because
ask my
here,
teacher.
here's a an example for you. Even if you were to scale that picture down and make the Earth perfectly round and flat, Antarctica would still not be able to wrap around the Earth's circumference.
Right, but that's not actually the layout of that is the spherical layout,
So,
right? That is the layout that the government wants you to think that the Earth is.
with your theory here, every video, everything since like the space race to now, every video of outer space and Earth from like say the stratosphere and out in orbit is faked.
Yes.
Elaborate.
There's literally tons of proof online.
Okay.
We never went to the moon.
So that's the internet.
We never went to the moon.
So what about like Sputnik?
Not real.
So every rocket launched, every spacecraft launched is fake. It's
Yeah.
just a big simulation of
We
a
have
fucking
satellites in space.
No,
like
it's not a simulation.
we literally have satellites. If you go out on a fucking clear sky night and look up, you can watch the satellites move across the sky in orbit.
I mean, but can you though?
Yes. The fucking
You know,
you don't just look up and stars don't just move.
I mean,
The
how do you know it's
stars move.
real though?
What do you mean how do you know it's
Well,
real?
the stars don't move. We
Is it
move.
Well, no, what I'm saying is that if you look up and watch, you can see the satellites. The satellites look like a star. It's just a fucking
Oh yeah, yeah,
white
yeah.
light,
They
and it just
move.
moves across the sky.
Yeah.
Those are in Earth orbit. Those are satellites that can take pictures.
Yeah, we shouldn't even be having this
You
conversation.
can't be in orbit of a flat object like that.
It's gotta have some type of mass.
I don't. Yeah, I don't.
There is
It,
mass.
it,
Like,
it'll
like
still have mass, but I don't think that there will be any
it's
like
gotta have like a center, man.
the magnetic field would
There is
not
a
be
center.
right.
What are you trying to like flat? Like I don't understand.
I don't. I don't understand what you don't understand. Very straightforward.
Oh my god. I can't believe we're having this conversation.